Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I love doing unboxings. They're all my children. This is my new favorite child. This is the Lush kitchen box that when I did my Lush unboxing, I asked if you guys would have any interest in seeing. It comes from the UK. This just came, so let's get into it. It's Lush kitchen. I could tell you a little bit about this before I go on and on. I'm so excited. Let's start from the beginning. Lush is, I consider it Bath & Body. I know they do face masks and some face care, but for me, it's always been a Bath & Body brand. I like the bath bombs, the bath bars, all of the bubbly things, all of the lotions and hand creams and the body sprays. It all smells so good. Smells so good. Now I said all of it. They have done a subscription box in the UK. I don't know why US Lush doesn't do a box. I would think it would be spectacularly popular. I will have to let you know the prices on this because A, it's all in pounds, and B, the shipping varies. I think this ended up being $67 or $69. It's only like $39 for the box, but to actually get it to me, it was closer to $67 or $69, I think. Like I said, I'll let you know here what the charge was. But when you sign up for this, you will get an email mid-month, the month prior, to ask you your opinions. Do you like this or this, this or this? And based on the survey, they decide what's going to be in that next month's box. It is things that are no longer carried at Lush or items that they're trying out. It's not something you can just go to the website and buy. I can't stand it. We got to get in here. I can't talk about it anymore. I've seen a couple of people unbox these, but not a lot. Oh, so when you open it up, it says, Happy Holidays, Kathrin. And that's what the inside looks like. It is so cool. It says, Happy Holidays, Kathrin. We love playing games in the kitchen at Christmas, and you can join us. We've hidden 4 clues in your box, and the answers will unlock a secret product page. We've gone digital with our menu. So that is where the QR code is. And like I've said, I don't keep a phone or anything up here. I'm going to have to change that. And right on top, there's a canvas bag and it says, Scan Me, 100% organic cotton drawstring bag. That is cool. Oh, the back says, Find Your Inner Peace, Lush. So that's what this big bag looks like. And there are other things than this in here. So I don't know if this is one of our products. I'm so stinking excited. It already smells so good. Oh, look, they say that we can look it up online, but I do have a piece of paper that I think tells me what's in here. Let's not stare at it too much. So let's go ahead and get in the bag and see what's in the bag first. It's like Santa's sack. Are you guys Lushies? Have you used Lush in the past? Are you? Oh, it's a puzzle. It's a puzzle. Just look. That's cool, right? I mean, I guess it's cool if you like puzzles, but we do. When you take them out, that's what it looks like. And here's the worrisome part. Are you ready? They're two-sided. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine how hard this is going to be? There's a lot of pieces too. I don't even know how many pieces. Yeah, there's nothing in here at all about this cool puzzle. I did, however, find my invoice and it's not $39 or pounds. It's 35 pounds. And then shipping is £14.95. So the gross total is £49.95. And then you have to, of course, turn that into dollars. Like I said, I think this month, I want to say got close to 67. So for starters, we have a puzzle, and I'm gonna go ahead and scan this when I go downstairs, and I'll try and let you guys know here what that scan said. I hope it tells me about the puzzle. I mean, I'd like to know more about the bag too, sure, fine, but I need to know about that puzzle. All right, reaching in right on top, I have a bath bomb. Oh, it smells good. What is that? It smells kind of like Play-Doh. And just for the record, these are all protected with these peanuts, and these are the kind of peanuts that you just get them wet, you kind of like put them in your sink, and they just dissolve. How fantastic is that? This is the Pearl de Sel bath bomb. It's just white, and it has kind of like gold lumpies on top. The bottom has that new, is it octagonal? 1, 2, I don't know what it is. It's kind of like a star shape on the bottom, and it's stamped Lush. This is easily 2 baths. You can usually take like a butter knife and whack it. That would be the technical term, in the middle, and it will easily split in half. If you don't care about it being exceedingly fizzy or bubbly, you can get 4 out of it. You can just crack it until you're happy with the size of it. Oh, this doesn't really tell me anything. I was hoping it would tell me what the notes were. It says it has perfume in it, Rose Damascena. I do not smell rose. Not even a little bit. Tonka. I love the depth that Tonka brings to a scent. So I'm going to have to look up what scents these are supposed to have for the future, but I'll try and let you know here what I could find online. It smells good. All right, reaching in next, I have a box. I'm intrigued. So it's not just bath bombs and body creams. This is Sultana. I remember Sultana from back in the day. It is a kitchen exclusive perfume. And that is what it looks like. The only scent that this really talks about is it has perfume in it, but it also talks about bergamot oil. Well, let's spray it on and see if I can tell you anything from that. Well, I sprayed the box. A third's a charm. Got me on the third one. Oh my goodness. That smells so good. Again, I will try and let you know the notes here. Oh, I remember Sultana from back in the day. Oh my gosh, that's a good one. I love Lush. I had gotten away from using Lush all of the time, and I don't know why. Partially because it's a little pricey. The bath bombs are, you know, they can be $6.95, $7.95, but like I said, you can get several uses out of it. I just really like it. Next out of the box, I have Coconut Snow. It's Coconut Snow body lotion. I do not remember the scent. That is what it looks like. They tell you who made it, who packed it. How cool is that? It usually has an expiration date, just so you know. This one was made on November 17th, so since they are made from the box, they are very fresh. It's good till January 17th of 2023. Oh, that smells good. I don't know what it smells like. I will use it. It smells that good. And look, it is super, I mean, it is super thick. Oh yeah, I mean, it is that kind of thick, the kind that you have to push on thick. Let's put that on the back of my hands and give it a smell. Oh, it smells good. It smells kind of fruity. You guys know I am so bad at this. I just made the back of my hands almost shiny. They feel so good, but it's absorbed. It's nice. A little goes a long way. Apply to dry skin and this sweet floral lotion will sink right in, leaving your skin super fresh. And this is cocoa butter, murumuru butter, fair trade shea butter. It has citrus, rose oil. I won't say this doesn't smell like rose because you know what? I like rose. And it's kind of like when you eat something, if it's something you don't care for, you're like, all it tastes like is onions. But then I can't taste the onions because I love onions. This might have a slightly rose scent to it. It also has geranium in it, and it is vegan. Next out of the box, we have Magic of Christmas. That is what this looks like. How to use. Get hands-on. Oh, it's squishy. Get hands-on making shapes. It's like Play-Doh in there. Get hands-on making shapes and models of your own. Then pinch off a small piece and lather up from head to toe to enjoy a jolly good cleanse. You can also use it as shampoo. Alternatively, crumble a little under running water for plenty of swishable bubble mountains. And the wrapper is made from certified home compostable materials. Just remove the label. It's got juniper and tangerine and fennel and ylang ylang. All right, well, we're gonna open it and see if we can get a scent of it. I don't want to get it too much on me. I'm going to do more unboxings, and I don't know if you guys can tell, that is like full on shiny glitter. Oh, I think to open it I have to take the label off. I don't want to do that. Let me peel it back a little and show you guys. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. Oh, that smells good. This one has got like no floral to it. This one feels like the earthy, I don't want to say patchouli because it doesn't smell of patchouli, but it's got that earthier, patchoulier scent to it. I like that a lot. Yeah, when you touch it, like, can you see where I dented my finger in it? Oh, look at my fingernail. I cannot wait to play with this stuff. I'm totally not excited about this. I love all of my boxes, but this is the first time I've been this excited about a box in a while. All right, next out of the box, we have Berry Christmas. When the snow is deep and crisp and even, walk into a winter wonderland with this fruity beauty. And it's a shower gel. That's what it looks like. I will try and let you know. I will price this equivalently as best I can. But like, this is a 100-gram shower gel, so I can tell you what that would be at the store. I'm not going to be able to find this exact flavor, but I think all of their flavors are pretty much the same when it comes to this. Their lotions do tend to vary, so I will get an average on a 100-gram lotion. This says that it is a festive cranberry infusion and rejuvenating blueberry juice that your skin will feel vibrant and refreshed. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but can you see the glitter in the bottom of that? It looks mostly green, but over here the glitter has settled. I don't know if I can shake this up enough because it just came out of the shipping and it's so cold. I think I'm gonna have to get it warm before I can do too much. It's shaking up a little, but it's gonna take more than I have time for right now. Oh, that's pretty. I don't get blueberry or cranberry. It's kind of green. Can you see one little bubble? It's very nice. I think, what is this called? Berry Christmas. Yeah, I don't get berry out of it. It is very nice. I like it. I think actually this is a really good unisex one. I think my husband would like this scent. It's very nice. I don't get berry. Oh, he might not like it because of the glitter, but the scent would be fine. Okay, and the last thing out of the box we have is Lux Fizz Kitchen Exclusive. They're all kitchen exclusives. Body conditioner. And that is what that looks like. It says scoop out and glide all over before rinsing off to reveal show-stopping skin. So you're literally, after you wash, gonna put this on and then rinse. So it's a body conditioner, just like a hair conditioner. Oh, it's pretty orange. Can you guys tell how orange that is? Oh my gosh. It smells so good. It's kind of like a cross between a creamsicle and something more grown up, so that you absolutely would not mind smelling like this once you were done in the shower. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. This talks about having almond oil and orange blossom and organic jojoba oil and virgin coconut oil, muru butter. I mean, this is fresh orange juice. Fresh orange juice. This is gonna leave you smelling and feeling so good. And that is what we have. So that is my first Lush kitchen. I love the absolute variety in that. I got a bath bomb, a shower gel, a body conditioner. I got that cute little moldable soap, the puzzle in a bag. How cute is that? The Sultana perfume. Oh my gosh, that smells so good. I'm gonna want more of that. I don't think I can get it. That makes me sad. So it's a really good variety. I was afraid it would be like half bath bombs. This I can use in a month. I might can't finish the body lotion or the perfume, but I can come really close to finishing the rest of that because you and I have talked about my serious bath gel problem that I don't know what the limitations are of how much bath gel one is supposed to use, and I suds it up. All right. Thank you so much for coming by, guys. I know if you're here, you're probably a Lushy and you probably love Lush. This is available. I will put the link below. I am not affiliated. I don't think they do any discount codes. Like I said, it is $35 plus $14.95 shipping, which comes to $49.95, but that's in pounds. And when you translate it to dollars, it gets up there. I've let you know how much, but I like it. And I will also let you know, as close as I can work it out, what the actual value was to me. I have watched other people unbox this and it comes really close to being even, which if you don't like everything in it, it's kind of a bummer. But I think I will use every bit of that. Unless, you know, sometimes you use something and once you get it on your body and your chemistry, you're like, that scent is not perfect for me. But so far, so good. And I love it. And it's fun. Let me know if this is something you guys want to keep seeing on the channel. Of course, I'll know from the numbers. Let me know below what you think of it. Would you ever do it? Do you like Lush? Do you go way back with Lush? I go way back with Lush. I don't know when they put it in my mall. I had started using it just before that. And then when the store actually showed up at my mall, I lost my mind. Okay, she's nattering on now. Thank you so much for coming by. I hope you're having a great holiday season. I will see you again really soon. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And take care, guys.